guys, so I just got a bunch of stuff from Revolve, and like a random Revolve courier came last night and dropped off a bunch of stuff. So I wanted to show you guys what it looks like on, and kind of tell you guys about sizing and stuff. This is not sponsored, this is just like PR gifting, and I just wanted to kind of unbox it with you and try stuff on because I thought it'd be fun. So Super Down from Revolve is one of the brands that I find runs small. I feel like every other brand on Revolve I end up wishing I sized down. Like whenever I order a medium, I'm like, damn, I should have ordered a small. In most of their dresses, in all the dresses I ordered, I got a small. Usually in all the tops I get a small. Sometimes in bottoms even, but also in bottoms I like have wide hips, so I can do a medium. These I ordered my true size. They obviously fit, but I wanted them to be a bit looser, so I know they'll stretch out, but like these are Super Down, by the way. But like I anticipated them looking a bit different. And again, this is my regular size. These are size 28, and typically in a size 28 they wouldn't fit super tight like this, and I don't know if maybe that's the vibe or like the style they're supposed to be, but they are that raw denim with absolutely zero stretch, and the material doesn't feel like the most amazing quality. Like it feels good, but it's not like the best highest quality denim, because it is like one of their less expensive brands. So I think that maybe that's why, but I do feel like they'll stretch out because they are raw denim. Like I find that those are the jeans obviously that stretch out the most, and then you're like, damn, I should have sized down. So I'm hoping that that's going to be the case. They fit, obviously, like, you know, they look cute, but they're just a different style than what I had initially wanted. Like, you guys, this dress, like, come on, fits perfect, small, size small. Like, what? This one is from La Academy. I love this. It's like open back and everything. I love it. Ample room, like super. If anything, I'm like, should I have sized down? No, I think this is honestly fits perfect. If I had gotten a medium in this, I feel like it would have not fit the right way. It would have looked like a freaking paper bag floating through the wind. You have to be careful with these kinds of dresses, especially if you have a larger chest. I love this. I think it's gorgeous. But like, that's what makes me think, like, has anyone else had the same experience with Super Down? Because again, like all the other Revolve brands fit me perfect in my true size. Girlfriend denim, I always get like a 28. Sometimes I've even gotten a 27. Those I find stretch a lot. So I don't know if the same goes with Super Down, but I didn't feel like that vibe from them. Do you know what I mean? Anyways, Frank's waiting for me to go to the gym, but yeah, happy Saturday. And today's gym outfit is from Story, both the leggings and the bra. I got a 6 in both. I really like this. This is cute because it's kind of like a tank. I always take the cup things out because I think they just like make your boobs look weird, and like put too much volume in there, and I don't need any more volume. And then let me show you the hoodie I'm gonna wear too. This is such a cute like fitted gym hoodie. It reminds me of like the Lulu BBL hoodie, or what's it called, jacket. Like, I'm obsessed with this. I think this is so cute. It's such a good little gym outfit. Makes you look like snatched even though you're wearing a hoodie, because normally I like show up to the gym in an oversized sweatshirt, and I still love that, but like I look like an Oompa Loompa, and then you take it off and you're like, hey. But this is like already like, hey, you know what I mean? And again, I get a 6 in like everything they make pretty much. The leggings I could maybe size down just because I feel like they run a little bit big, but honestly, like they stretch out a tiny bit. But honestly, they're just so comfortable. Like you can do whatever. You can do either one. But yeah. Breakfast today is a yogurt bowl with raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, bananas, granola, honey, coconut flakes, and chia seeds. Yum. Hey guys, good morning. Just got dressed and ready. We're about to go on a little walk to a coffee shop. I'm wearing an Aloe Yoga sweatsuit, the tank top that I showed you guys in my last vlog that I just got. My hat's from 112s, and I'll show you guys our little walk and like the cute coffee shop that we picked and stuff. I'm really excited. I'm gonna have hopefully Frankie take a photo of me. And yeah, we just went to the gym this morning, made breakfast, showered, got like dressed. And now we're gonna go hit this coffee shop, and I also would really like to stop at the farmer's market. So I just washed and prepped and put away all of my veggies, and I also just washed and chopped 2 of the heads of lettuce that I got. One of them I'm saving for when I'm out of this, but I'm just trying to like make it easier on myself for like salads and whatnot. I washed and put away the strawberries, the other berries, that's my dog's food. This is extra chicken. I have half of an avocado and then tomatoes and cucumbers in here, all fresh from the market.
It should be fun. See lots of friends. And
This is Frankie's plate. I just made him his burger, putting the lettuce on. He doesn't like tomatoes. And these are his dipping sauces for the fries. Final products, here is Frankie's meal. And then I end up doing like a burger salad. You are not gonna be able to see what's under this, but there's cheese, pickles, tomatoes, ketchup and mustard, and then like the iceberg lettuce, like a burger salad. And those are my mountain of fries with assorted dipping sauces.